What's going on, guys? It's Danny with Crypto Dose, and we are looking at Davor. Look at this wallet, man. Look at this wallet. Oh my God. $3,845, man. Wow, guys, 6 days. Are you kidding me right now? We have a $28,150 loan in there that we've got from BitConnect. Pulled together from BitConnect, pulled together from Hextra. Total owned $4,312. Man, this system is kicking butt. 1.8, 1.9, 1.8, 1.6, 1.7, 1.75. So we're starting to teeter-totter a little bit here. We're starting to kind of get a little bit lower payments, but that's expected. You're going to get these higher payments when they're trying to, they're a new platform, right? So they have to make it enticing for people to come over. But I'll take 1.7, 1.75 any day of the week. And what I like about Davor is they aim to beat the competition, right? So as long as they're making this money and they have enough to pay us and they can pay this much, I'm all for it, man. I'm behind these guys 100%. So $3,845.12 in the wallet after 6 days. And I think I only have one little bit of commission in here. So this is all lending. Right, I've got this one little bit of commission right here, but guys, look at this. I took some out for staking, and I'm gonna be doing that today as well. 600, 600, 666, 548. This is one of the lower payments. Man, I couldn't be happier with this, guys. Guys, so right now we're at lending phase. This is what I'm calling lending phase. We had a nice run up. If you bought this thing at $5, $6, $7, like I did. We almost 5x our money. We 4x our money. We're doing great, right? It's gonna take a while now for us to get to, another 2x, another 3x, right? We're gonna hit $50 of DAF, but it's probably gonna take a few months. It's not gonna be something that's gonna happen that fast. So in those few months, you might as well secure the gain by creating a loan. So we're in what I call loan territory now. We were in the build-up phase. We were waiting for the price to come up to a decent amount. We kind of hit 30 there for a little while, 29, but it wasn't really sustainable. We had some resistance, but we're now stable between $24, $25. So anything between like $23 and $26 locked in loan is a win in my book. So guys, if you've been waiting, now is the time. Now is the time to put your loans in Davor. These percentages, we don't know how long they're going to last. I mean, we're seeing some really good percentages here from Davor. And you know what? I'm going to take advantage of this, man, because, how long is this going to last? We don't know. They said that they're always going to be competitive. They're always going to be better payouts from Davor versus like BitConnect, everybody else. So at least we have that. And the payments in BitConnect haven't been so great lately, and that's because it follows Bitcoin. When Bitcoin stays flat, BitConnect stays flat. But with Davor, they use a different strategy. They're using arbitrage, right? So what arbitrage is, they'll buy the coin they'll buy Bitcoin, let's say, on a different platform, a different exchange, let's say Bittrex, and it'll be, $20, $30 cheaper on Bittrex versus Bitfinex. So they'll buy it on Bittrex, sell it on Bitfinex for a profit. And they do that over and over and over and over and over again. So you can just imagine with the amount of money that we've ingested into this thing by buying it, by buying Davor, by holding Davor, by lending Davor, right? When you lend it, they use that money for the arbitrage platform. And that's how they make their money. And this is a tried and proven system to make money, not just in crypto. It's used in the real world. In Forex trading, they do this all the time. And the big finance markets, banks, they all do this. Arbitrage is almost a guaranteed return. What these guys are doing is not a far-fetched thing. It's not far-fetched to think that this is real. Now you never know, right? These guys could just be giving us a story. But I always go back to how smooth Davor runs, man. Davor just runs smooth. There's never issues, knock on wood. Their ICO was great. They got an amazing team behind them. So guys, I'm going to continue investing in Davor. This right here is great. I'm going to send this straight to my Dav wallet. The staking has been going phenomenal. I've been staking between 30 and 50 Davor almost on a daily basis. Do keep the wallet running online, guys. It's a little scary to do that, but make sure you have a firewall. If you want, use VPN. and just, stake this thing, because it's pretty damn profitable. That 10% that they're talking about, I'm thinking I'm going to get about 10% this month if I keep staking it. So yeah, guys, it's loan time. It's time to loan on Davor. What can I tell you? Look at the wallet, man. $3,845, 6 days. 6 days of lending this thing, guys. Oh my God, I couldn't be happier, man. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you're interested in any of the platforms I'm currently invested in, there'll be links in the description to sign up. If you want to talk some crypto, maybe talk some strategy, tips and tricks, I got a Discord channel, guys. It's in the link, and it's in the description link as well. Join the Discord, guys, if you want to join the group. We're on there almost all day, just talking tips and strategies. There's also ICO talk in there, all different things that I'm currently working on. I usually discuss with the Discord first. So if you guys kind of like want that exclusive, get in the Discord, guys. Let's get friendly, get to know me, I get to know you, and we'll just trade ideas, and you guys will get to know things before I even post them here on the channel. Please like the video if you're enjoying the content, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.